Hi, my name is Candice and I'm part of the customer success team here at ClientWindow. Today I'll be showing you how to add a contact or create a new contact. ClientWindow contacts are external individuals who use messaging apps such as Cloud WhatsApp or WeChat to communicate with internal teams. Those contacts can then be applied to specific client spaces and group chats therein. So to create a contact, we're going to come to the Contact tab. We're going to click Create. We're going to put the name of the contact. We're going to put the surname of the contact. And then we're going to paste or tap in the mobile number of the contact. We're going to click Next. We're then going to select a client space. After that, we select a group chat to add the contact to, and then we click Create. And that's it. For further information, you can visit clientwindow.com.